hearing a very horrifying news. It seems that the rain is mutating people. Most people who come into contact with the rain have already mutated.
Oh, what the hell?
Dumbledore, this planet is no longer safe.
Who are you people?
No time to explain. You three have committed horrible crimes. Your crimes are unforgivable. This is why you three will be relocated to Earth. Once a thriving planet, now a wasteland. We believe that your heinous crimes make you a perfect fit for such a desolate world. You will reach the planet in 5 minutes from now. The ship will return home once we have dropped you off.
Well, this is going to be fun.
I am scared, man.
Well, it can't be that bad, can it?
What's the deal with that guy?
He looks scary.
Scary? What did you do to get in here?
I committed bank fraud.
What? And I thought all of us were cold-blooded killers in here.
Hey, look at 742. He's talking to that creepy guy.
What the? Are they conspiring with each other behind our backs?
Good thing we are already a team.
Who said that? You are a complete deadweight.
What the?
What are you? When did you take off those handcuffs?
When you two were busy talking.
Crap.
Now what?
This works using fingerprints. It's not letting me take control.
Oh no.
This is all you guys' fault.
Shut up.
Man, my head, it hurts.
Well, we somehow survived that landing.
You think so? Look ahead.
Well, rest in peace.
What was the plan? What were you guys thinking about trying to hijack the ship?
It backfired. That's all you need to know.
Forget about that. We need to think about surviving. This crash landing might be a blessing in disguise.
Blessing? How come?
The safe fail systems are no longer functioning. We can get our hands on some weapons. Plus, if we are lucky, we could fix this ship. This time it will let me drive now that the fail safe is removed.
Let's gear up first. So, can you get this thing up and running?
I need some metal parts. If we go on to look in the city, we might find some.
You think we will last a minute out there?
No other choice.
This is a complete graveyard.
Keep walking.
About time these things showed up.
Prepare to shoot. I'm completely out of ammo.
Me too.
Let's keep walking. Hey look! I found an abandoned SCP site. We can take shelter in it.
You will probably find material to repair the ship as well.
Let's go. Finally. Looks like it's about to rain.
Oh crap.
What?
Due to that creature's blood, the environment has completely changed around here. The rain will have that creature's blood.
Does it mean?
If we get exposed to that rain, we will turn into mutants.
We left him behind.
We can't do anything to help him now. Luckily, this base's defense systems aren't functioning. We can go in without interruption. Let's stay here for a while. They might have a canned food store here.
All right.
Someone is coming?
Who can it be? Did the mutants breach the wall?
That's impossible. You? You are all right?
But how?
I don't know. I suppose I am immune.
Well anyway, I am glad.
So, did you find something to repair the ship?
I was about to look. We need to go deeper in the base.
Let's go then.
Turning on safety systems.
Oh, so this thing is still working, huh?
Warning. Mutant detected.
What the hell? How can it be?
Who are you?
Me? Who are you?
I am this base's AI assistant. I have been dormant for months. Who are you?
Just someone passing by.
How can I be of help to you?
Well, I need to get off this planet. There's a ship some miles away from here. I need to fix it.
With all the mutants lurking outside, how are you going to accomplish that?
Do you have a tank that I can use?
Yes. Check the armory. Troll tutorial: how to escape this blood planet. Step 1, go to the armory. Step 2, get inside a tank and find the remains of your ship.
Oh no. What have I done?
Step 3, go back to the base.
You really got lucky. If I was just a little bit quick, then you would have...
Have you given up yet?
Not yet.
That won't work.
I know. Was worth a try.
What's your plan now?
I don't know.